तरी मीडियम
अबे आदेश
किती करायचे
चलो फिर गाइस एवरीवन कम आउट
अरे चालू ठेव यार ते येईल पाणी
त्याच्यामुळे काय ऍक्सेस नाही त्यासाठी
मेरे को ठंडी लग रही थी मैं ऐसे पहना है
सगळं जॅकेट नाही मला सगळं
कोकिया तो पैसे वाला है भाई सब नहीं है हम लोग गरीब मानुस है तू सबसे ज्यादा पैसा गोटी बेच दिया मैंने 3.5 करोड़ बैग में ही रखा इधर आने के टाइम पहले रात में मंदिर जाते
ना काढतो गोळा काढतो
बोतल करके रखा बोला जितना वजन बोला दे दो हाथ लगा के सोने के भाव से लिया लोड
नंबर पुरी उभी करा खिडकी मनी पुरी उभी करा खिडकी
भाई चार ऑन टॉप सॉरी माय मिस्टेक Brock Lesnar lost his balance. A spear. What was this? What was 1, 2, 3? On one hand, we have Roman Reigns. A one-on-one, no mercy match. हे हाथ ऊपर कर. अरे थम अरे.
खटन को बाजू कर
And on the other hand, we have Brock Lesnar, the suplex city. बेल्ट कर.
ये निकल दिया ये रेफरी पकड़ रहे
Paul Heyman. On the other hand, the challenger Brock Lesnar. Here's the referee eating bhagar wadi. The second referee is resting. And now we are going to start the match. The steel chair has become ready. Let's start. 3, 2, 1. Ding. The match has started. 1-on-1, no mercy championship for World Heavyweight Champion. And the match has started. Oh, dodged. The suplex has been dodged. Hey. 1, 2. Count of 2. Hey. The chair has been taken in the hand. The steel chair. The referee has been heated. What's going on? Brock Lesnar is losing his hair control. The referee has ran and come here. 1, 2. Head dodged. Who is this third wrestler? Kick him out. Referee. रेफरी को मारे तुम लोग. Oh, the steel chair. It's the time for Brock Lesnar. Another one. Straight on butts. Another one. Will he go to suplex? Will he go for suplex? The Roman Reigns has lost his energy. Oh. What? No. It's a choke slam. They're writing their own script. Oh, another. Oh, what a move. Does Roman Reigns have a chance? Yes, he does have. He's trying to take another one, but Brock Lesnar takes it and he gives us and he gives a suplex. Wow. Does Brock Lesnar have a chance to take the counts? 1, 2, it's on second count. Hey referee, chalna. The referee is enjoying his night. Brock Lesnar hit with a chair. Another one. Both have lost their energy since it's their third match of the day. One on one count. Both have lost their energy. Eh, who is this? Who is this? A copper player. What's going on? All the wrestlers are hitting another wrestler. Hey, they're taking another one. Oh, oh, what a hit on the chest. Back. Another one. Another one. Wait. Another one. Oh, sword fighting with the chair. Brock Lesnar is angry. He's trying to give a suplex. Oh no. Suplex. Suplex. 1, 2, 3. Dang. 1, 2, 3. What the hell? The copper player has won 3. On the one hand, Danis Kamath with the steel chair in his hand. On the other hand, Harshal Kalamkar with another steel chair. Both are hitting each other. It's a no mercy match. नहीं. Oh, suplex! It's a suplex. Will he go for second suplex? Yes, a second suplex. Will he go for third? A third reverse suplex. Wow, great fight. Another suplex. A fourth suplex. No. The player has been lost his all the energy, and the referee is eating bhakar wadi. Wow, such a great match. Oh no. What's happening?
Ireland versus Scotland. No love between the Wales back from the dead after getting stopped is Roman Reigns. Now Fatu has turned his anger.
Wait! Headed! Another head! Dodged! He caught the chair! He pushed! The referee is passing the chair! What's going on? Yeah. What's going on? Pinto! Another wrestler has been damaged! What's going on? Another referee! Oh no! Another wrestler! Oh wow! Time out! Hey, light लगा! Light. 1, 2, 3. Dang. This is No Mercy Championship. And another pen. Another one. Another player has interrupted the match. Once again. 1, 2 counts. Will they go for second round? 1, 2, 3. Dang. And the World Heavyweight Championship goes to HK Harshal Kalamkar. Hey, gym boy. कांधे एक टॉवल फेंका इवन कुछ और मत कर सिर्फ मार. Tang 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 tang. And the winner is the one and only Danish Kamath. Danish Kamath. He is not leaving the opponent. He's still another one. Another one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Dang 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 dang. And रेफरी को पहले मारा. अब रेफरी फिर से गया.
चल के रहेगा.
1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And the winner is Danish Kamath.
Now there.
The world heavyweight champion.
Now here.
वर्ल्ड डोगरा मैन.
ए वो रेफरी है. कहाँ गया? उसने तेरे को जिताया है.
अबे फोन भोसड़ी के
अरे वो रेफरी है, उसको मत मारो.
फोन लेके आ मार दिया
किसका?
आइटम का
1, 2, 2 count. 1, 2, 3. Dang 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 dang. And the world all-star champion remains with Danish Kamath once again in the 30 years. Spear! 1, 2, 3. Oh no! झोप झालं. झोपायचं.
अंग झोपायचं.
तुझी झोप झाली नसेल ना?
ऑलमोस्ट झालीच.
On one hand, we have Roman Reigns. 1-on-1. On one hand. For 1-on-1, no mercy match, Danish Kamath as Roman Reigns for tonight has won the World Heavyweight Champion. But Brock Lesnar has some different plans. Brock Lesnar doesn't want to give him the trophy. I mean the belt. I was the cricket commentator. Oh.
Money in the bank.
Whoa! No! भाई तन परफ्यूम है. The commentary, the wrestler has become gouty. And the winner is Roman Reigns as Danish Kamath as Roman Reigns for tonight has won.
My heritage. Wait a second. Spear. Come.
The copper player was attacked by many kicks. भाई बस हो गया. कितना लड़ोगे तुम लोग? ए भाई